Hello everyone. Welcome to the Electronic Express channel. Today, I'm going to reveal something that many people don't tell you about quick and healthy recipes for losing weight. You know that promise to lose weight in a week by eating miracle foods? Well, the truth is a little different. Stay with me until the end of this video and find out what you really need to know to achieve your goals in a healthy and sustainable way. Leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and let's go on this journey together. When we talk about losing weight, the first thing that comes to mind for many people is cutting calories, skipping meals and going on crazy diets. But the truth is that the secret is not just in what you stop eating, but in what you eat. Quick and healthy recipes are not only easy to prepare, they can be delicious, satisfying, and help you lose weight without going hungry or feeling deprived. Today, I'm going to share some tips and recipes that you can prepare in less than 10 minutes and that will transform your diet. We're going to talk about how to choose the right ingredients, balance nutrients, and maintain a tasty and healthy diet. But first, I need to tell you what many people don't know or don't talk openly about these quick recipes. Many people think that healthy recipes are expensive, tasteless, and take a long time to prepare. This is a myth. You don't need expensive ingredients or hours in the kitchen to make nutritious meals. So let's debunk some of these beliefs. 1. Healthy food is expensive. This is not true. There are many affordable ingredients that are extremely nutritious. Eggs, vegetables, seasonal fruit, whole grains, and even lean meat or fresh fish. The secret lies in knowing how to combine them in a creative and efficient way. 2. I don't have time to cook. You don't have to spend hours in the kitchen to prepare a healthy meal. There are many recipes that can be made in 10 minutes or less, and I'll show you some of them in a moment. 3. Healthy food is tasteless. Another myth. If you know how to use natural spices, herbs, and fresh ingredients, your meals can be just as tasty as any gourmet dish. The taste is in the details, and that can make all the difference. Now that we've debunked a few myths, let's talk about the ingredients that can turn your quick meals into allies for your health and weight loss. 1. Lean proteins. Chicken, fish, eggs, and even vegetable sources such as tofu and beans are great options. They help keep you full for longer, avoiding hunger spikes throughout the day. 2. Good fats. Avocado, olive oil, and oilseeds, such as walnuts and chestnuts, are rich in healthy fats. They not only help with satiety, but also improve heart health. 3. Complex carbohydrates. Try quinoa, sweet potatoes, brown rice, and other whole grains. These foods are long-lasting sources of energy and help prevent sudden hunger. 4. Fresh, colorful vegetables. We can't forget about vegetables. They are rich in fiber, vitamins, and minerals that are essential for the body to function properly. And best of all, they are very low in calories. Now, I'm going to show you a recipe that you can make in less than 10 minutes, and that is perfect for those who want to lose weight without sacrificing taste. Recipe 1. Grilled chicken salad with yogurt dressing. Ingredients: 1 grilled chicken breast, mixed leafy greens, lettuce, arugula, spinach, cherry tomatoes, cucumber, natural yogurt dressing with lemon and herbs. Simple, right? The grilled chicken is rich in protein, the leafy greens bring fiber, and the yogurt sauce is a delicious and light option, full of flavor. Recipe 2. Green detox smoothie. Ingredients: 1 frozen banana, 1 handful of spinach, 1 tablespoon of chia, coconut water, grated ginger. This smoothie is great for breakfast or as an afternoon snack. It helps to detoxify the body, as well as being super refreshing and nutritious. Now that you've seen some recipes and tips, you may be asking yourself, how do I maintain this diet on a daily basis? There's no point in having a healthy meal once in a while and eating processed food the rest of the time. It's important to make a habit of making good food choices whenever possible. Here are some tips. 1. Plan your meals. Set aside time at the weekend to plan what you're going to eat during the week. This helps prevent you from falling into temptation or ending up resorting to fast food for lack of options. 2. Shop smart. Always have healthy ingredients at home. Fruits, vegetables, proteins, and whole grains should be at the top of your list. 3. Don't deprive yourself too much. Allow yourself a guilty pleasure every now and then. Balance is key so as not to turn healthy eating into something tiring. So, did you like these tips? I hope this video has inspired you to adopt a healthier diet in a practical and quick way. Remember, losing weight doesn't have to be a sacrifice, and with these recipes, you can do it in a tasty and